Good morning, everyone. This is Miss Boss. This is Toronto. Look, I'm still snowed in. I can only get out a little. This is still, look at my car over there. It still has snow on it. Look how deep the snow has. It's really awful. I don't know if I can get out, but hey, this is how high the snow got up to. Look over there at my neighbor's. His is really high as well. So another lovely day in Toronto. It's sunny out there, but after I finish work at 4:30, I'm coming back out to shovel off my snow and my other car next to it. Look at it, it's covered. Everyone have a great day. I just wanted to let everybody know how much snow there is here in Toronto. We're calling back the company to, it's called the Gardner. They're a good company for them to come back and to shovel up the driveway, the walkway, and the lower part of our driveway. Okay, everyone, cars are coming up. Take care.